Hello guys, about absolutely to explain for you right now today on AVAX Avalanche Crypto today's video. So let's understand how can we get started. So now we have here the side of AVAX Avalanche Crypto, exactly to be known as soon as possible through every single part on the side of the explanation. So what we would like to start to use it because it is really to be important in every single part that I really started to finalize this, as you can really think that it's possible about that one. As you can see about that one here, I already started to explain for you that it should be about the side of the final price prediction. Exactly this part as an increase in level. The decrease in level has happened and this 5 placement has been absolutely accepted through that one. And we have to see that is really the final price. And that is all guys to realize here in this part.